Imagine waking up one day and the moon is glowing bright yellow like a banana, and the sun, it's turned completely white, like a glowing ghost in the sky. What just happened? And more importantly yet, should we be worried? The moon we see today is grayish-white because it reflects sunlight off its dusty, rocky surface. But if the moon turned bright yellow, it means either its surface changed color or the light hitting it changed color. If it's the surface, maybe space paint? Aliens redecorating? Just kidding. Scientifically, a yellow moon would reflect more red-yellow wavelengths. Maybe due to chemical or atmospheric changes. And you'd notice it glowing deeper, almost golden at night, like a permanent harvest moon. The sun already is white in space. It only looks yellow from Earth because of our atmosphere scattering blue light. But if you saw a perfectly white sun from the ground, it could mean the atmosphere got thinner or clearer. Pollution dropped dramatically, or something changed in the sun's spectrum. A white sun means it's radiating all visible light evenly, and actually, it would be brighter and harsher on the eyes. A yellow moon is more of a beauty change. No real danger there. But a white sun could mean increased UV radiation, sharper shadows, possibly even climate effects. Plants might love it. Humans, not so much. More sunscreen, please. So, should you panic? Not really. But it would sure make the sky look strange. A yellow moon would be poetic. A white sun would be powerful. And together, like a sci-fi painting in real life. What if one day the moon turned red and the sun just vanished? But hey, that's a question for another video.